Something we've noticed as a marketing agency that works with home service businesses is that they're insanely afraid of allowing people to get out. Like, for example, I was researching this one concrete company, and at the end of their agreement, or kind of like the end of the sales process, they offered them that within, I think it was 3 days or a week, they would be allowed to, like the homeowner that they sold the concrete job to, they would be allowed to just back out of it free of charge. And I don't know if they lost their deposit or not, but something I see a lot of home service businesses is that they're really afraid of allowing people to get out. And it's kind of like the same thing as posting your pricing or not. The more you hide, the more you kind of control people and not want to tell people the price, don't want to let people out of their agreements, don't want to let people cancel their appointments. Even like I said, as marketing companies, we've been told, like, don't allow people to cancel an appointment, when the truth is, if people want to get out of their stuff, they're going to get out. So if anything, all you're doing is raising trust by just allowing people to get out of your agreements, get out of your contracts, by telling people the truth. And so I just kind of wanted to make this video to let, that one home service business that's going to benefit from this, just be open and allow people out of your agreements. You will get more people in the door by allowing them to get out. I mean, for example, think of just this one example, because I know this is dragging on. If you have a homeowner who started a new project with you, and then a weekend something really bad happened in the home, and now they don't really have money, and things have just kind of gone into the drain. And if you kind of force them to still get the kitchen remodel, install a new roof, if you still force them into the agreement because they put down a deposit, but like 2 days later someone died, how are they going to feel about you? So would you have really gained a client if it was just short-term money that you've gained? If you're really interested in short-term money, then I guess keep locking people into agreements. But if you actually care about homeowners, you actually care about growing your client base and growing your referrals, and like the earlier video I made about brands and like your person being a good person, if you actually care about that, then let people out of your agreements. Be a little bit more open about your pricing and getting out of, like I just keep repeating, getting out of agreements. But that's just really my point. I hope that this helps one home service business to just become a better home service business.